Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we'll be looking at 4 different organizations and treaties that help ensure that our world and biodiversity and conservation are all great again. The first organization is Bureau of Indian Affairs. The Bureau of Indian Affairs is an American agency which seeks to help and assist Native Americans living in America. This includes federal recognition, and this includes cultural revitalization, which means that the Bureau of Indian Affairs does many things, include provide funding and spread information to help Native tribes reconnect with their culture. The second thing that they do is language reawakening. Language reawakening is through increasing funding for the teaching of languages of Native tribes which are in danger of going extinct, or in very few cases are actually extinct. Now the next thing is land management. Native land in America has been taken and stolen for hundreds of years. However, through the Bureau of Indian Affairs, many tribes were able to gain back small reservations on what used to be their land. This is not good enough. The second is not an organization, but rather a treaty that has some sort of structure to enforce it. It is CITES, or the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. International governments have signed this treaty, and they do use legal basis to back up their jurisdiction and authority. This is something that's also known as environmental justice, as justice is being served to those who would harm the environment. Ecotourism is another focus for CITES, as it generates a lot of this trade of endangered species that they are worried about. However, through environmental justice and through the CITES' efforts, ecotourism is slowly being reformed. Endangered and threatened species are 2 levels describing the amount of survivability chance that a species has. Endangered species might die very soon, while threatened species are merely threatened with population loss and various other factors, including environmental. The third organization is the Convention on Biological Diversity. Biological diversity is basically the presence of bioorganic material given an environment. What the Convention on Biological Diversity does is help promote and regulate and revitalize the many different plants and animals given around critical areas in the world. Now, this is a constantly updating organization, as according to the Missouri Botanical Garden 2013 December issue, they discuss the various changes that were made to the Convention on Biological Diversity. With such a diverse, changing, and rapidly updating organization, CBD looks to be one of the finest premier protectors of wildlife. Final but not least organization I'd like to talk about is UNESCO, or the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. This is a very, very prestigious institution, which according to the Annals of the Royal Society of London, December 1948 issue, the United Nations aims to achieve the continued cultural survival of various different indigenous and non-indigenous peoples, and the environmental advocacy for many species. Now, this kind of a platform provides the best protection for ethnozoological, ethnobotanical, and biocultural preservation. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you later.